How to block unknown calls automatically on iPhone iOS 18. Mute unknown calls on iPhone. Hey guys, in this video, we are going to show you how to block unknown calls automatically on iPhone iOS 18. If you want to block unknown calls automatically on an iPhone running iOS 18, here is how you can set it up. First, open the Control Center and check your focus settings. Make sure all unnecessary focus options are turned off so they do not interfere with your call settings. Now, go to the Settings app. Scroll down and find the Phone app and tap on it. Inside the phone settings, scroll down until you see the option called Silence Unknown Callers. By default, this feature is usually turned off. To enable it, simply tap the toggle switch. Once it is turned on, calls from numbers that are not saved in your contacts, not in your recent outgoing calls, and not suggested by Siri will be silenced automatically. These calls will go straight to voicemail, but you will still see them in your recents list in case you need to check later. Meanwhile, calls from your contacts, recent calls, and Siri suggestions will continue to ring normally, so you will not miss important calls. And that's it. With just a few steps, you can automatically block and silence spam or unknown calls on your iPhone with iOS 18. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.